Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a leap. First, define your clear objective. What exactly do you want to achieve? Next, assess the potential risks and rewards. Understand what you might gain and what challenges you could face. Then gather all necessary resources, from knowledge to support. Finally, develop a detailed action plan with measurable milestones. This foundational work is crucial for a successful transition. Now let's strategize your next move. Break down your large leap into smaller, manageable steps, perhaps 5 to 7 distinct phases. Anticipate potential obstacles and formulate contingency plans for each, ensuring you are prepared for various scenarios. Seek advice from mentors or experts who have successfully navigated similar transitions. Their insights can be invaluable. Finally, visualize your success and maintain a positive mindset throughout this crucial preparation phase. It's time to execute the leap. Commit fully to your decision and take that initial decisive action, even if it feels daunting. Embrace uncertainty as a natural part of growth and adapt quickly to any unforeseen circumstances that arise. Monitor your progress regularly, perhaps weekly, and make necessary adjustments to your plan based on real-time feedback. Remember to celebrate small victories along the way. These moments are crucial for maintaining motivation and momentum. After making your leap, focus on sustaining momentum. Take time to reflect on your experiences, learning valuable lessons from both successes and challenges encountered. Continuously refine your skills and knowledge to fully support your new direction, perhaps dedicating 30 minutes daily to learning. Build a strong network of support, connecting with at least 3 new individuals each month to help you navigate future endeavors. Finally, set new, ambitious goals to ensure your continued growth and development.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.